Question number 20. The function f of t is equal to 60,000 2 to the power t over 410 gives the number of bacteria in a population t minutes after an initial observation. Now let's understand till here. Equation exponential, this is an exponential equation which is always equal to a b to the power x. A is the initial population. So here that population is 60,000 initial. B is always like at what rate it is changing. So it is doubling, right, with every next observation. And that is t over 410, t minutes after an initial interval where t is the time. How much time in minutes does it take for the number of bacteria in the population to double? Now, whenever it is double, that means we know the final population, but we have to find the time, right? So, final population is actually twice of 60,000. So, that is equal to 60,000, which is the initial one, right? And t to the power 2 to the power t over 410. Now, if you divide by 60,000 on both sides, it will be 2 is equal to 2 t over 410. Now, when we come to SCT, right, this situation will always be true that whatever the initial population is, this will always be double. So for SCT, you have to start from here. If you want to save your mental energy, if you want to save your time, you have to start from here. This question, okay. Now, if we think about exponents, if a raised to power x is equal to a raised to power y, equal to sign in between, a and a are the bases. In that case, x is equal to y. So that means I can apply it here directly. 1 is equal to t over 410. So t is equal to 410. So in how much time in minutes? That means it is 410 minutes, right? So basically, yes, it's a question like which is easy. So we take the easy questions as an advantage to save our time. So you will be starting from here using exponents directly, and this question should take only 3 seconds max. Okay, now let's come to question number 21st. The function f is defined by f of x is equal to ax plus b, a to the power x plus b, where a and b are constants, okay, a is greater than 0. Now that is a key point here, that a has to be greater than 0. We will mark the key points first, right? So a greater than 0 is our first key point. In the xy plane, the graph of y is equal to x has y intercept at 0 and negative 25. That means when x is 0, y is negative 25. Second key point. Third key point is 2 and 23. That means it is passing through. So we are going to use these two for our help. First, I am going to use 0 and negative 25. That means f of x is negative 25 and it's a raised to power 0, x is 0 plus b. Now anything raised to power 0 is 1. So that is 1 plus b is equal to negative 25. Subtracting 1 on both sides, that is negative 26. B is negative 26. Here it is given a is greater than 0. B can be negative. This condition is only for a. Perfect. Now we have done for a. Now let's come to this point 2 and 23. So when fx is 23, a is 2 and b is negative 26. Adding 26 on both sides, a square is equal to 49. And a, if you take square root of both sides, a can be plus 7 or minus 7. But here in question, it's clear that a is greater than 0. So a is equal to 7. Now we have a and we have b. We have to find the value of a plus b. So if a is 7 and b is negative 26, we end up at negative 19. So a plus b is negative 19. It's a short answer question like where you have to mention the number. So this is our answer. I hope that is clear.